Hello and welcome to Inkybay. Today we are going to show you how to upload a file in your DesignLab page. So let's begin. As you can see, this is a demo product, and if we click on upload file, you can browse, or you can also add URL of a file which you want to add to your product. So if we go to browse and select a file, you can see there are several options before you can actually paste the file on your product. So here you have color options where you can remove the white from your image, or you can change the printing option, and also how many colors in your image. You can choose multicolor or full color image. Then you can crop and mask your image. There are several cropping and masking options. You can crop if you want to, or if you want to mask, you can mask it according to your preference. For example, you can mask it like this, and then we can also add photo effects. So there are various effects that you can choose from, and you can apply it to your file which you're gonna upload to your product. So after choosing effect, click on continue, and you can see the photo has been applied to your product. Then you can also change other aspects of the photo. You can duplicate it, you can flip it horizontally or vertically, you can change your width, your height, you can rotate it, and you can also drag it on the print area. Then you can change its position on the print area. You can center it horizontally and also vertically. So these are the options of uploading a file on your product on Inkybay DesignLab page. Have a nice day.